So now I have my board all connected up, and I've got the real Atari connectors. I can go ahead and connect up my joystick. And I'm now able to navigate the menus with that stick. So if I press F12 to get to the menus, I've got my joystick connected, standard CX40, and I can go up and down and fire and right to select things from there. More interestingly, I can connect up and plug a cartridge in. Now I should really turn it off for this. Hit that, and then I hit reset, hard reset, or turn it on. In fact, I'll just turn it off and on. And I have Fogger running from the cartridge. I'm going to hit start and play that with my joystick and get run over lots because I'm making a video. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the PPI. So if I turn it off again, I take my turbo freezer and plug that in. I have to put the video down for this. Go. I have the turbo freezer and Fogger plugged in. So if I now turn on my board, again I have Fogger here running as before, except I can now hit the freeze button and I get to the turbo freezer menu. And space to exit, and it carries on as usual. Now I haven't done a whole lot of testing of PBI devices. I've tested the turbo freezer, the SysCheck 2, someone detector MyID 2, and I believe an MIO. And I'm hoping to get an MIO to test that further myself, but I believe it should be pretty compatible. Now the SIO, I've tested it with a 1050 and with a 1010, and also someone tried it with an Alien voice box, and I think there's probably a few other things that have been tested on it. One more thing we can do here is the joystick do support the, I'm going to disconnect all these. The joystick ports support paddles, and so I'm just going to go get the Atari paddles, plug those in, and they all support the light gun. So I just want to plug that in. I don't know if I've got Kaboom or anything installed here, so I'm just going to very simply go to basic, type 10 print paddle not go to 10. It's a variant on the Hello World. Here you see it says 212, and if I rotate my paddle, you see the numbers vary. Well, there we go. Now these have been tested, the ports have been tested with the touch tablet, Atari touch tablet, for which you might need to vary a resistor for the voltage level that is used to detect it. And they've been tested with the light gun as well as the joysticks. Now output should also be possible. Now